Hey guys, welcome back to my mukbang. So this is just a really quick mukbang, short and simple. So I'm gonna be eating black bean enoki and regular spicy enoki, and drinking apple juice at the end. So yeah, hope you enjoy. And by the way, if you didn't know, I am coming back to my YouTube channel after a long time. This has been a long time since I've kind of came back, and it's been a while. Yeah, since you've seen me. It's been a year. Now time for the apple juice. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. That was a short and simple video.